Morning guys, it's day number 4 and we have packed our bags and ready to leave down towards the way we came, and we have decided not to go the upper way, right? Because of the thick snow we can't make our way towards Kenzing and continue our trip, so we have decided to go down again. We are planning to reach at SYAPRUBESI today, but if not, still we can reach towards the LAMA hotel, and then we'll decide where to go and when to go. So guys, we have finally left the Langtang village. Our main destination for today is SYAPRUBESI, but I think because of the snow we will be able to reach at the woodland or the riverside. Let's see. So after 2 hours of walk, we have reached at again Paudyal. Couple of minutes of rest, and then we'll again head towards LAMA hotel. The path seems to be a bit friendly today, though I've already slipped more than 3-4 times. But still, the path looks incredible today, and I hope we will reach at time. Snow is starting to melt because of the clear weather. Look at that. Looks great. I think there are plenty of red pandas here. So we spotted monkeys. What species are they?
Common langur.
Common langur. Yeah. Oh. Hello.
Hi, common langur. How are you?
Let's go. So after 6 kilometers of walk from Paudyal, we have reached at the riverside again, and we have again ordered the black coffee, and this is the riverside. Yesterday it was full of snow, but today because of the sun the snow has begun to melt. Yeah. So after having lunch, we directly came towards Pahiro. The driver said that he will be arriving tomorrow morning. So at the early hour, we will be leaving from Pahiro towards SYAPRUBESI, and then from SYAPRUBESI towards Kathmandu. So this is the second last day. I'm tired right now, and I'm gonna have a little bit of rest as well as TV day. So let's see you tomorrow. So we're heading towards the hot spring. And this is the final day of our trekking trip, and we're planning to end it with having a beautiful hot spring bath. In the hot spring, it's moderate warm, but still feels like a paradise. Swimming in a hot spring for the first time. It's a new experience, many new experiences. Feeling great. So, completed the hot spring bath. Thank you Dividai for showing me the path towards the hot spring bath. It was amazing. Relieved all my body pain and felt refreshing. So our Langtang trek is officially over. We are right now at SYAPRUBESI. Please give a like, subscribe and comment down the best part of the overall trip. So stay tuned for amazing contents. See you guys. We are heading towards Kathmandu. Look at the scene. You won't believe it. There's a snow at there at the top of the hill, and look at this amazing scene. This is heavenly. Wow. If you plan to go for any treks, I recommend you use Mountain Tiger Nepal and come here at Langtang for the trekking. It's amazing. Even in off season you can enjoy the snow, thick snow, heavy snowfall. You can play with your friends or families, and the logistic and fooding is amazing. So I recommend you to contact Mountain Tiger Nepal. Chiplo. What is it?